Every weekday, Tiago walks his daughter Laura to the Setúbal Adventist School in Portugal. When he was younger, Adventist education had a profound impact on his life.
Foi numa fase muito atribulada da minha vida.
It was a very troubled phase in my life, where things were complicated for me and my family. And literally, I can say that the Adventist Church, Adventist education specifically, saved my life because I was going down a very dangerous path in many ways.
Tiago grew close to his classmates and teachers. Because of their positive influence, he invited Jesus into his heart. To this day, he's an active member of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. So when it was time to send Laura to school, Tiago knew just where to enroll her.
This was a decision that me, my wife, and God made. It would be unthinkable not to put my daughter in an Adventist school, even though it lacks the great facilities of other private schools and even public schools that we have here.
The Setúbal Adventist School was opened in 1983. It's attached to the Adventist Church building in a historic part of town. The space is limited to a common indoor area, an outdoor play area, and 2 modest classrooms that house 4 grade levels.
It's a very small school with few resources. We try to give the best possible to the children and try to beautify this little space as best we can. But we know that they need more, and that they need other things that other schools already have. And that's one of the challenges we have right now.
Each morning, students meet in the common room to start their day with worship. They sing, pray, and study the Bible. This is where many of these kids start developing a relationship with Jesus. It all starts with a core team of dedicated teachers.
I can teach them not only knowledge, but also for them to grow as individuals and grow spiritually.
It's very good because it interests them, and they sometimes look in the Bible and they discover things. And they're glad they managed to find it. It's very special.
I learned that He cares for us and watches us when we are sad or alone. We should love Jesus, and that Jesus was a good person when He came to earth, and that He will return to get us.
I've learned to love Him, and that He will come back to take us with Him to heaven.
Adventist leaders in Portugal dream of expanding the reach of Adventist education to more people in Setúbal.
We have an education that is concerned with the whole child, with their development, not only in their academic skills, but also in their spiritual development. And every day we want to show them the love of Jesus, that Jesus came to this world to save them, and at the same time that they can transmit this knowledge to their families. So our schools are essentially for children who don't know the Adventist message. In our school, we currently have 37 students. Only 9 are Adventists. This is an opportunity that we have daily to show these families who Jesus is.
We managed to plant the seeds in these families. If we had a bigger space, we would certainly be able to reach more families, not only the Adventist community, and be able to evangelize much more here in the city of Setúbal.
This small school in Portugal has big potential. This quarter, a portion of your 13 Sabbath offerings will help construct a new school building in a fast-growing area of the city. Please join Adventists in Portugal in prayer for the future of this school.
Pray that the effort they make transforms lives. And so pray for us. Contribute to making this work possible. Because what we're doing here is transforming lives and taking children to eternity.
Thank you for supporting this project by giving to the 13th Sabbath offering. On the shores of Lake Geneva, a Seventh-day Adventist summer camp has touched the hearts and lives of young people in Switzerland. During the summer, Adriana works at La Plage because of the positive memories she has of being a camper.
We had times when we were hanging out by the lake, chatting around a campfire. It allows you to be with a person or with several people, but to be able to exchange experiences, to share our struggles, to have special moments with each other, and to encourage each other.
Campers spend the days doing fun activities like water sports on the lake, but also prioritize developing a deeper connection with Jesus.
I think that having these experiences, it made me grow enormously, whether here at camp or in general life. The programs, everything that the leaders, the pastors, and so on provide, it allows you to develop your spiritual life as a child and as a young adult. It allows me even today as an adult to develop a relationship with God. In fact, that's what happens a lot here.
Adriana has seen multiple people give their hearts to Jesus and be baptized in the lake because of the experiences at camp.
It gives me chills thinking about it. We realize to what extent we have a God who is present, who is great, and who is with us every moment. These experiences allow us to really realize the presence of God in our lives.
The camp sits between two cities, Geneva and Lausanne, making it centrally located for many to attend. Private access to the lake provides a safe way for them to enjoy the water. With years of fun and spiritual growth this camp has provided, time has taken a toll on the facilities. Programs can only operate in the warmer months due to the piping and plumbing. In the colder months, the pipes freeze, making the kitchen and bathroom areas unusable. Another limitation is the kitchen. This small space needs an update with a proper area for food storage, a better layout, and new appliances. With these improvements, the camp would be able to operate year-round, opening new opportunities. This quarter, a portion of your 13th Sabbath offering will go to the renovations of La Plage. Your contribution will allow a wider range of programs to be offered year-round. Please pray for this project in Switzerland. Thank you for your support of the offering that makes a difference in the lives of people like Adriana.